It is 4:47 a.m. I'm in the parking lot of the gym. Really happy about that because I am not a morning person. So this is the first Monday. I went to the gym at 5:30 a.m. on Friday. So I'm here waiting for them to open. I'm not really excited because I didn't go to bed till 1. But hey, do what you got to do. You make a commitment, you keep your commitment. I ate some oatmeal this morning, which is part of my little plan to get some fiber in my diet. 1 day knocked down, 4 more to go. We're going to get it done today. I'm going to do some weightlifting. Nothing crazy. And of course I'm going to swim because that's what I do. Got out of the gym, 6:30 a.m. Got some weightlifting in today. Got 30 minutes of swimming in today. It's a good day. So here's the deal. When you're making videos 5 days a week, you have to have something called content. And although I'm working out every day, doing my elliptical, doing my yoga, going swimming, throughout the week, that will be content and I'll be posting it. But sometimes you just want to see some different things. So, like my body that I had laying in bed all the time, not doing anything, just eating, I've kind of let my house go, if you will. So not only is this get Chris fit, it's get my house in shape. I've been eating myself into an oblivion for the past 5 years instead of working on my house and getting some things done. So every once in a while, you'll see some videos of us or of me doing some kind of construction at nighttime. I made a commitment to myself to just keep moving. Got to keep doing something. So today, we're installing a doggy door. First thing you need is a Little Caesars pencil. And then you come to the realization that I ate too much Little Caesars in order to get myself a pencil. Still, put a pencil in your ear. Makes you look legit. Second thing, a level, a tape measure. That took me half an hour to find it. He's never been through a doggy door. Come on! Come on! Good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy, come here. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Dookie. Good boy, Dookie. Come on, let's go back in. Well, we're gonna keep working on this. All right, it's almost 9 o'clock. It's time to get ready for bed. Have a 4 a.m. wake up call. We got the doggy door installed. Anyway, I'm tired. I've been up since 4. So tomorrow, we do it again.